The president of the Hynniewtrep Youth Council (HYC), Kupar Synrem, has reacted to a recent statement by Khliehriat MLA Kyrmen Shylla regarding the proposed railway project to the Jaintia Hills. Shylla had stated that the decision on the railway line, which is proposed to extend from Assam to Umrangso in the Jaintia Hills, should be left to the people of the region. Speaking to the media, he emphasized that while the Railway Ministry has put forward the proposal, it is ultimately up to the residents of Jaintia Hills to decide whether the project should move forward without any external interference.
Actually, individual consultation most of the time we used to have with different stakeholders. Most of them they appreciate it, and some of them they shows their concern that what if things will go out of hand, especially with the land and land tenure system, and then buying of lands, and then what if outsiders will come and take control out of all these businesses. So as of now we have not come into conclusion with this, but some shows their interest, some are against, but in the end what the public with their consent, whichever they said, we are with them. Nothing should happen against the public, or nothing should not happen when they are in favor of. We are here for the public, and we'll make sure that we are with the public, and it will happen with that only. That actually most I have heard, most of them they give their views and opinions. It's just that they need to calculate what exactly the benefits when we have train. What if by having a train, how will it boost the economy, the business? To be frank, and I think everyone knows that Jaintia people, they are very smart in business, and most of them are in business. So they know exactly which will bring them, to boost the economy of our district. So for this, I would like to see that no interference from anybody, that let the public should decide to come into one big meeting where everyone should come, and then especially those local people from that area. If suppose they want to bring train to Jawai, so let the Jawai people decide, and if it goes through my area, my people also will decide. But if it didn't go through my area, why would we go and just poke? But let them decide which area will come. If it happens that it will come in my areas, let my people from my area decide whether to accept it or not. No interference should be there from outsiders. That's all I want to say. But I've just said it. If there is anything, chances to happen, they should not. Let the local people decide, because they know the better their livelihood, how they are, who are we to poke on others, plate, because we should take care of our own. And take it, support, no doubt. We would love to have the support of others, but not to brainwash our people. That's all I want.
Responding to Shylla'S remarks on the possibility of an influx due to the introduction of railways, HYC President Kupar Synrem opposed the claim, asserting that the issue of influx is a concern for the entire state of Meghalaya, not just the Jaintia Hills. He reiterated that the impact of the railway project must be assessed from a broader perspective, considering its implications for the state as a whole.
Okay, so we have seen through various media reports as well as statements made by one of the minister in the present MDA-led government, by Kyrmen Shylla, where he has stated that there is a plan to connect railways through Jaintia Hills into the state of Meghalaya, most particularly maybe through Jawai. Our stand from the very beginning, since HYC was, since its inception in the year 2014, we have always maintained this stand, and we are also maintaining it till now, that no railway without ILP or any regulations to check the movement of people from outside the country or outside the state into the state of Meghalaya. Our concerns mainly is regarding influx. We understand with the connectivity, with railway connectivity, there will be a lot of influx into the state of Meghalaya, and with influx it will lead to various socio-economic as well as political rights of the people of the state, most particularly the Hynniewtrep people living in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills region. Therefore, HYC stands its ground, saying that if you cannot implement mechanism, if you cannot implement rules or laws which will check the movement of people or to regulate the movement of people inside the state, as we have been demanded, like implementation of the ILP or the MRSSA Amendment Act of 2020, till that time, HYC will not allow any plan to connect railway within the boundary of Khasi and Jaintia Hills. That is our stand till now when it comes to railway. And the second thing regarding the statement made by the minister concerned, Kyrmen Shylla, where he has stated that outsiders should not interfere if a time comes when railway will be connected to Jowai or to Khliehriat or to Jaintia Hills in particular. We just want to inform him that we as an organization, I as a part and parcel of the Hynniewtrep people, I cannot be treated as an outsider in Jaintia Hills. We believe that we are part of a Hynniewtrep people. We are not outsider in Jaintia Hills, neither Jaintia people are outsiders in the Khasi Hills. So the statement made by Mr. Kyrmen Shylla is not acceptable to us, and we also want to tell him that issues like influx cannot be decided only by Jaintia Hills, by residents of Jaintia Hills or by residents of Khasi Hills, but it should be decided as one community, as the Hynniewtrep community, when it comes to influx. So when it comes to railway, which is interconnected with the issue of influx, the decision will be taken by the people by the Hynniewtrep people, not only particularly by the people of Jaintia Hills or by the people of Khasi Hills, but as a community, in unison, in unity, we will be taking a decision. As far as we are concerned, we don't treat or we don't take it that we are outsider in Jaintia Hills. So that kind of a statement is not acceptable to us as an organization, because HYC believes that Hynniewtrep consists of Khliehriat MLA Kyrmen Maram and Lengam, and we are one family of the Hynniewtrep family. So we do not subscribe to such a statement in which he says that the Jaintia people will decide whether they will allow railway to be connected to Jaintia Hills. But for us, we say that this kind of an issue will be decided by the Hynniewtrep people together, not only by the resident of Jaintia Hills.